I am Johnny Jones of the Eco Day Spa. I will show you how to make various recipes for facial scrubs. Here are the recipes for 2 facial scrubs that can be done at home. The barley scrub, which requires barley and a cleanser, and the oatmeal scrub, which requires oatmeal and essential oil. First, we'll mix the barley scrub. 2 tablespoons barley, mix with a cleanser. Mix these ingredients to create a really nice barley scrub. And this is a recipe for a barley scrub. Here's the recipe for an oatmeal scrub. Oats and essential oil. First we add 2 teaspoons of oats. Then we add our essential oil. And we may need to add a few more oats to get our desired consistency. And a little bit more essential oil. And this is a recipe for an oatmeal facial scrub.